In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin notes to home in Evernote. Pinning notes to your home dashboard is a great way to keep your most important information right at your fingertips, so you don't have to dig through notebooks or search every time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks, and I'll share a few tips on when pinning is especially useful. First, open Evernote in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Notes. This section shows all of your notes across every notebook in your account. Go ahead and click on Notes. This will bring up a list or grid of all your existing notes depending on how you've set your view. Next, you'll want to choose the specific note you'd like to pin to your home. This might be something you refer to all the time, like a daily to-do list, a project overview, meeting notes, or personal reminders. Scroll through your notes or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. Once you see the note you want, click on it to open it in the main editor area. With the note open, look towards the top right corner of the note window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This menu contains additional actions you can take on your note. Click on those 3 dots to expand the menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options related to your note. From this list, find and select Pin to Home. As soon as you click this, Evernote will add that note to your home dashboard. There's no extra confirmation step, it's applied right away. To confirm it worked, you can navigate back to your home view from the left-hand menu. On your home dashboard, you should now see the note you pinned displayed in the appropriate widget. From here, you'll be able to open it quickly anytime you launch Evernote. That's all there is to it. Open the Notes section, select the note you want, click the 3-dot menu, and choose Pin to Home. Use this for anything you need constant access to, and you'll find your Evernote workflow becomes faster, more focused, and much easier to manage.